Did you know the phrase "flash in the pan" came from old flintlock guns? When firing, there was usually a half-second delay. The flint struck, igniting a bit of priming powder in the pan before the main charge exploded. But sometimes the powder flared up without igniting the shot. A literal flash in the pan. That frustrating misfire turned into a famous expression for something that starts with promise but fizzles out quickly. From battlefields to language, even a gun's misfire left its mark on history. Want more hidden origins behind everyday phrases? Please like, share, and support. This is Fact in Frame, where knowledge meets curiosity.